What's cooking, lovely people? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to this channel, Culinary and Mixology by Eliano Corey. Now in today's video, she arrived. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Her Majesty Truffle Infused Steak Sandwich. Alright guys, so first of all we're gonna start with the hash browns, because let's face it, the platter is steak and frites, so we can't forget about the potatoes. So let's start with it. Alright you guys, so we put this one here, make sure it's firm. Alright, and I chose this one. Grab the potato, take a small piece, throw it in there. Okay, this potato, now I washed it really well, okay? You can use it without the skin, but I love the skin. It gives it crispiness and lots of flavor. So I'm keeping the skin, I just washed it very well. So I'm just gonna place it here. Get this one here. All right, perfect. Now let's see, it's gonna work. All right, you guys, I'll take you to the other side. Alright, we're gonna soak it in water to take out the extra starch. So this way when we fry it, it's gonna be really crispy. Alright guys, now it's time to make my signature caramelized onion recipe. So we just cut it in half. Right now in this pan, I put some olive oil in it. Let's throw in our onions. Alright, and now that we reach this consistency, we're gonna salt the onions. We're gonna make them cry, secrete the flavor. Alright, so that's some salt in there. Got some black pepper. And now it's time for the magical ingredient, which is maple syrup. It smells amazing. All right. Now we're gonna take it off. Alright, so here we've got our beautiful hash browns. Alright, we're gonna throw in some salt, some black pepper, and some paprika. Alright you guys, so for the spread, we're gonna start by using some homemade mayonnaise. Alright, some truffle oil, some Worcestershire sauce, and some moutarde à l'ancienne or whole grain mustard. Wow, so delicious. All right, a tiny bit of oil in the pan. Throw in the mushrooms. Black pepper, salt, all right, and look at that beautiful steak. It's been aged for 25 days. Okay, it's just delicious. Look at that marble, intramuscular fat. It's just, oh my god, it's gonna be delicious. So we start by adding a bit of vegetable oil, some salt, and season it generously. Black pepper, and some fine garlic powder. Scrub, massage it. Do the same for both sides. And then make sure to get the edges. Perfect. Now in a cast iron on high heat, add some vegetable oil. Let's put our steak in. Alright, we're gonna let it rest for at least 6 to 8 minutes. Alright, so I got a potato and buttermilk bread. I'm gonna cut 2 nice pieces. Good. All right, now I'm gonna put some of that butter on. And now I'm gonna place the bread. Gone. It melted. It's just wow. It's so explosive, full of flavor, because you guys saw the marbling on it. So yeah, it's not a Wagyu, but it has lots of marbling, lots of intramuscular fat. The edge was beautiful. So all that add lots of flavor and texture. It's delicious. So let's put the sandwich together now. All right, so this is the lovely bread. Let's hear it. Perfect. So now we're gonna put our truffle infused Dijonnaise. We're gonna put on both sides. We're gonna put the mushrooms now. And second goes our steak. Now goes the maple syrup, caramelized onions, Alright, now goes the arugula. And the last thing is our hash browns. Okay. Alright, and now we can close it. Perfect. Alright you guys, so thanks for making it to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a like. If you tried this recipe, make sure to leave me your feedback in the comment section. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Alright you guys, so let's give it a try. Oh my god. Wow. I don't have any words to describe it. It's just so good. All ingredients are fresh. They all come together. Mushrooms and truffle, so forward. The steak so tender. The hash browns, the arugula, that crunch, the onions, the maple syrup. The maple syrup just holds everything together. That sweetness. It's just so delicious. You guys really have to try it because I don't know what to say. It's just the best steak sandwich.